Automatic video transcription is a huge time saver when creating content. Whether you want to create subtitles files or just transcribe your video or audio into text, you can do it all automatically using a simple online video editor. Open up your internet browser and head over to Veed.io. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free, and I've left a direct link to Veed in the video description. On the homepage, select Upload your video, then upload a file, select your file, and hit Open. And when it's finished uploading, you'll see your clip sitting down in the video timeline. Now we want the software to detect any speech within my recording and convert that into written text. So to do this, I'm going to go over to Subtitles in the left-hand toolbar, then select Auto-Transcribe. Now I'm going to select the language that I speak within my recording, which is English, and then hit Start. The editor will now start the transcribing process, which can take up to a few minutes depending on the length of your file. And when it's done, you can see that the software has transcribed the video into text over on the left-hand side, and some subtitles have been added on top of my video in the timeline. Now you should watch through your video to check for any errors within the transcribing process, and if you spot any mistakes, you can make any corrections in these text boxes over on the left-hand side. And if you're looking to turn your transcription into subtitles, you can adjust the timings for when they appear on screen just by going down to the video timeline, and you can just click, drag, and move any of the subtitles boxes like so. And now if you want to export your transcription as a plain text or subtitles file, just go over to Options at the top of the Subtitles menu, and under Download Subtitles, select the drop-down menu and choose which format you want to export your text in. I'm going to select a plain text format and just hit that download button next to it. You can also turn your transcription into on-screen subtitles. As you can see, there are already some subtitles sitting on top of my video in the canvas. And now if I want to change the way they look, I'll just go over to Styles in the Subtitles menu. And in here, I can change the font, I can change the size of my text, and I can change the color of it like so. And by scrolling down this same menu, you can see that there are a ton of presets that you can apply to your subtitles just by clicking them to apply them like so. And by going over to the video canvas, I can also select the subtitles and move them to wherever I want within the frame. And I can also click and drag the corners to adjust the size and the shape of the text box. When you're finished making any edits, just go over to Export in the top right corner of the editor. Then make sure the Burn Subtitles option is selected before you hit Export Video. The editor will now start rendering your file. And on this next page, you can review your video by pressing play here. And when you're happy, you can just hit Download MP4, which downloads your finished video with subtitles to your computer. And that is how to automatically transcribe any video online. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.